Hello friends, welcome to my next video. In this series of videos, in each video I will explain 5 different kind of programs. Some may be easy for you, some may be difficult for you. I will start with one by one and explain you each and every program and execute that program to show you the output of that particular program. So let's start with the first program. Our first program is just create a list of n elements and then we have to delete the first element in the list. Starting with the standard header files and then the main function. Then we create a 3 different type of integer variables. First one is an array that can hold n integers, then n and I are the other integer type variable. So first we enter how many numbers we want in our list of elements and then we will enter those numbers one by one. We will start with the for loop starting with the location 0 and it will go to 1 less than the actual number of list items we needed, incremented by 1. So we will enter one by one element using the scanf statement, and then we will print that list of elements using the same technique of for loop, but this time just printing one by one element one at a time. And then what we do, we have to delete the first element from the list of elements. So we will replace the pointer value incremented by 1 and then we will display the resulted list of elements. Let's do this. First we will build the program using the hammer button. It's showing there is no error and no warning. Now let's run that program. It's asking how many numbers we want. Let's say we need 5 numbers in our list. Press enter. Then we have to enter all those numbers. I keep it simple and I just start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We just want these 5 numbers in our list. Press enter and here it will show you that my array contains 5 elements. The values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after deleting the first element with this for loop, our resultant list will be 2, 3, 4 and 5. Hopefully you understand that, and if you have any question just comment on the video and I will explain that. Let's do the next one. Let me remove this program and let me remove this also. Here, this may be not so difficult for you, but I'm just showing you this one. In this we will print the alphabets from A to Z in the capital form. Same, started with the header files and the main function. Then we create a variable of character type and then we will use the for loop. If you pay attention, I just started with the 65 to 90. Now you may wonder what is 65 to 90. It is actually the ASCII value of the characters. So after that I will print, if you can see closely, I put it %C, which is print the character, not the numeric value. So what it will do, it will convert this ASCII value to actual character and print it on the screen for you. Let's execute this one. Now it's completely done. Now run that program. Here, look, it it's actually give you the all the A to Z here. This program is similar to the previous one, but instead of writing the capital letters, we will print the small letters. Same with the header files, void, main function, then character. The only difference is these ASCII values. Now we will write it from 97 to 122. We will print the character value of these ASCII values. Let's build the program and then run it. Here's the output. Hopefully that's easy for you. Let's jump on to the next program. Our next program is matrices number A that can contain 30 by 30 integers. Similarly, matrix B 30 by 30. 30 by 30 means 30 rows and 30 columns. And similarly, M is a different value which we will consider as a resultant matrix, and it will give you same. We will create a same 30 by 30. Now first we will enter how many rows we need in our matrix, and we just enter that one. Similarly, how many columns we need in our matrix. Then if you pay attention over here, what I did, I used the nested for loop, the one for loop inside the other one. That will help us to create a matrices. I just format it so that you can understand it properly. That's the one. So for I, starting from 0, it will go through R, which is the number of rows we need, incremented by 1. Similarly, J up to C, the number of columns, and incremented by 1. And when we try to add the value into the matrix, it will do? First, it will add the row 0, column 0, row 0, column 1. Similarly, then if we change it, row 1, column 0, row 1, column 1, similarly. And then that's the matrix for second. That's the for loop for our second matrices. So then we will print it off our first matrix here. Then we print our second matrix here. Now our third matrix is actually the sum of the other two matrices. So how it will work? Let me format it for you so that you can understand it more. Here. Thus the resultant matrix is equal to first matrices plus second matrices. Then we will print the resultant matrices. Let's execute that one. How many rows? Suppose we need only 2 rows. How many columns? We need 2 columns. Now we have to enter the value of these columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the 4 element of our first matrices. Then let's add the second one. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now here our first matrices is like this. Second matrices is this. If we do the sum of the matrices, it will show this one, like 1 plus 5 is equal to 6, 3 plus 7 is equal to 10, and respectively. Let's run it again. Now this time I'm increasing the number of rows and number of columns. And just keep it simple this time, so that here our first matrix contain 1 1 1, second matrix contain 2 2 2, the obviously third matrix will contain 3 3 3. Hope you understand that program. Now let's jump into our next program. Let me remove all this one. In this program, we will find the area of a rectangle. Starting with same header files, main function, then we will enter the length and breadth of the rectangle, then we will find the area. First we enter the length, then we enter the breadth, and then we do some calculation. As you know, the area of a rectangle is basically length into breadth, so the same funda will apply over here. Then we will display the output. Length 5, breadth 2, area is 10. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching my video, and if you need to ask anything, you just put it in the comment and I will reply to that one. And keep watching my videos. The next video will contain more interesting C programs, and do like and subscribe. Thank you.